Question 1. Which Maharashtra government initiative focuses on integrated development of villages through local participation? A. Jalyukt Shivar. B. Adarsh Gav Yojana. C. Majal Tyala Shet Tel. D. Mukhyamantri Gram Sadak Yojana. The correct answer is B. Adarsh Gav Yojana. Question 2. Which Indian scheme aims to provide financial assistance to farmers for crop loss due to natural calamities? A. PM Kisan. B. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. C. Soil Health Card. D. Kisan Credit Card. The correct answer is B. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Question 3. Which ministry is the nodal ministry for implementation of the Swamitva scheme? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Rural Development. C. Ministry of Panchayati Raj. D. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The correct answer is C. Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Question 4. The PM Vishwakarma scheme primarily supports beneficiaries from which category? A. IT professionals. B. Traditional artisans and craftspeople. C. Large-scale manufacturers. D. Urban entrepreneurs. The correct answer is B. Traditional artisans and craftspeople. Question 5. Which index released by Niti Aayog tracks state-wise progress on sustainable development goals? A. Good Governance Index. B. SDG India Index. C. Human Capital Index. D. Ease of Living Index. The correct answer is B. SDG India Index. Question 6. Which Maharashtra department is responsible for land revenue administration? A. Agriculture Department. B. Revenue and Forest Department. C. Rural Development Department. D. Urban Development Department. The correct answer is B. Revenue and Forest Department. Question 7. Which crop insurance scheme extensively uses technology such as remote sensing and mobile apps? A. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. B. National Agricultural Insurance Scheme. C. Weather-based crop insurance scheme. D. Restructured weather insurance. The correct answer is A. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Question 8. Which national policy aims to improve efficiency of logistics and reduce costs in India? A. PLI scheme. B. National Logistics Policy. C. Skill India Mission. D. Digital India Program. The correct answer is B. National Logistics Policy. Question 9. Which portal provides online access to land records in Maharashtra? A. Bhumi. B. Mahabhulekh. C. Dharmi. D. NEROR. The correct answer is B. Mahabhulekh. Question 10. Which report measures multidimensional poverty in India using multiple indicators? A. Economic Survey. B. NFHS. C. Multidimensional Poverty Index Report. D. Socioeconomic Caste Census. The correct answer is C. Multidimensional Poverty Index Report. Question 11. Which scheme promotes organic and natural farming practices in India? A. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. B. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. C. Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. D. National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. The correct answer is A. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Question 12. Which organization releases the periodic labor force survey in India? A. Niti Aayog. B. Reserve Bank of India. C. National Statistical Office. D. Labor Bureau. The correct answer is C. National Statistical Office. Question 13. Which Maharashtra program focuses on water conservation through desilting and watershed works? A. Jalyukt Shivar. B. Jal Jeevan Mission. C. Atal Bhujal Yojana. D. Amrit. The correct answer is A. Jalyukt Shivar. Question 14. Which central program modernizes land records through digitization and integration? A. Forest Rights Act. B. Digital India Land Records Modernization Program. C. Land Acquisition Act. D. Right to Property Act. The correct answer is B. Digital India Land Records Modernization Program. Question 15. Which index published by RBI measures the extent of financial inclusion? A. Financial Inclusion Index. B. Banking Penetration Index. C. Jan Dhan Index. D. Inclusion Score. The correct answer is A. Financial Inclusion Index. Question 16. Which mission aims to provide functional household tap connections in rural India? A. Swachh Bharat Mission. B. Jal Jeevan Mission. C. Amrit. D. Namami Gange. The correct answer is B. Jal Jeevan Mission. Question 17. Which ministry releases advance estimates of crop production in India? A. Niti Aayog. B. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. C. Reserve Bank of India. D. ICAR. The correct answer is B. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Question 18. Which Maharashtra scheme supplies solar power for agricultural feeders during daytime? A. Baliraza Yojana. B. Mukhyamantri Saur Krishi Vahini. C. Majal Tyala Shet Tel. D. Shiv Bhojan Thali. The correct answer is B. Mukhyamantri Saur Krishi Vahini. Question 19. Which Government of India initiative promotes use of drones in various sectors including agriculture? A. Drone Shakti. B. Kisan Udan. C. Agri Stack. D. Digital Krishi Mission. The correct answer is A. Drone Shakti. Question 20. Which framework assesses state-level reforms to improve ease of doing business? A. Business Reform Action Plan. B. Economic Survey. C. State Competitiveness Index. D. Logistics Performance Index. The correct answer is A. Business Reform Action Plan. Question 21. Which scheme provides annual income support to eligible farmer families? A. PMFBY. B. PM Kisan. C. RKVY. D. Kisan Credit Card. The correct answer is B. PM Kisan. Question 22. Which ministry is responsible for implementation of the public distribution system? A. Ministry of Food Processing Industries. B. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. C. Niti Aayog. D. Reserve Bank of India. The correct answer is B. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Question 23. Which national mission focuses on improving nutritional outcomes for women and children? A. Mission Indradhanush. B. Poshan Abhiyan. C. Rajmata Jijao Mission. D. Balaraja Yojana. The correct answer is B. Poshan Abhiyan. Question 24. Which index evaluates agricultural marketing reforms adopted by Indian states? A. Agri Market Index. B. APMC Reform Index. C. State Agriculture Index. D. Farm Freedom Index. The correct answer is B. APMC Reform Index. Question 25. Which initiative aims to create a unified digital database of farmers and agriculture data? A. AgriStack. B. PMFBY. C. ENAM. D. Soil Health Card. The correct answer is A. AgriStack. Question 26. Which international organization publishes global food security reports referenced by India? A. Food and Agriculture Organization. B. World Bank. C. UNDP. D. WHO. The correct answer is A. Food and Agriculture Organization. Question 27. Which Maharashtra portal is specifically designed for farmers to access schemes and advisories? A. MahaDBT. B. Aaple Sarkar. C. Mahakisan. D. Setu. The correct answer is C. Mahakisan. Question 28. Which central scheme focuses on sustainable groundwater management in water-stressed areas? A. Atal Bhujal Yojana. B. Jal Jeevan Mission. C. Namami Gange. D. Amrit. The correct answer is A. Atal Bhujal Yojana. Question 29. Which policy initiative promotes cultivation and consumption of millets in India? A. National Food Security Act. B. National Millet Mission. C. PMFBY. D. RKVY. The correct answer is B. National Millet Mission. Question 30. Which authority releases the Consumer Price Index data for India? A. Reserve Bank of India. B. National Statistical Office. C. Labour Bureau. D. Niti Aayog. The correct answer is B. National Statistical Office. Question 31. Which Maharashtra scheme provides subsidized meals to economically weaker sections? A. Shiv Bhojan Thali. B. Indira Canteen. C. Amma Canteen. D. Annapurna Yojana. The correct answer is A. Shiv Bhojan Thali. Question 32. Which central scheme supports formation and promotion of farmer-producer organizations? A. PMFBY. B. Formation and promotion of 10,000 FPOs. C. RKVY. D. ENAM. The correct answer is B. Formation and promotion of 10,000 FPOs. Question 33. Which index published by Niti Aayog measures innovation performance of states? A. Startup Index. B. India Innovation Index. C. State Competitiveness Index. D. Digital India Index. The correct answer is B. India Innovation Index. Question 34. Which Maharashtra scheme provides financial assistance to destitute individuals? A. Sanjay Gandhi Niradhar Yojana. B. Shravan Bal Yojana. C. Baliraja Yojana. D. Majal Tyala Shet Tel. The correct answer is A. Sanjay Gandhi Niradhar Yojana. Question 35. Which service provides localized weather-based agro-advisories to farmers? A. Gramin Krishi Mausam Seva. B. Kisan Suvidha. C. Agri Stack. D. Soil Health Card. The correct answer is A. Gramin Krishi Mausam Seva. Question 36. Which report ranks Indian states on logistics efficiency? A. Logistics ease across different states. B. State Competitiveness Index. C. Business Reform Action Plan. D. SDG India Index. The correct answer is A. Logistics ease across different states. Question 37. Which Maharashtra department implements crop insurance schemes? A. Zilla Parishad. B. Revenue Department. C. Agriculture Department. D. Panchayat Samiti. The correct answer is C. Agriculture Department. Question 38. Which digital payment system developed by NPCI is widely used in rural India? A. Unified Payments Interface. B. Jan Dhan Yojana. C. Digital India. D. PMJDY. The correct answer is A. Unified Payments Interface. Question 39. Which scheme provides financial assistance for construction of rural houses? A. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. B. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Abin. C. Amrit. D. Smart Cities Mission. The correct answer is A. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. Question 40. Which project in Maharashtra focuses on climate resilient agriculture? A. Project on climate resilient agriculture. B. Jalyukt Shivar. C. Atal Bhujal Yojana. D. RKVY. The correct answer is A. Project on climate resilient agriculture. Question 41. Which publication provides official estimates of national income and GDP in India? A. Economic Survey. B. National Accounts Statistics. C. Union Budget. D. RBI Bulletin. The correct answer is B. National Accounts Statistics. Question 42. Which scheme encourages soil testing and balanced fertilizer use? A. Soil Health Card Scheme. B. PMFBY. C. PKVY. D. RKVY. The correct answer is A. Soil Health Card Scheme. Question 43. Which Maharashtra portal delivers multiple citizen services through a single platform? A. Aple Sarkar. B. MahaDBT. C. Setu. D. Mahaseva. The correct answer is A. Aple Sarkar. Question 44. Which online platform integrates agricultural markets across states? A. Enam. B. PMFBY. C. AgriStack. D. Kisan Udan. The correct answer is A. Enam. Question 45. Which index published by Niti Aayog evaluates health outcomes of states? A. Health Index. B. NFHs. C. SDG Index. D. Human Development Index. The correct answer is A. Health Index. Question 46. Which Maharashtra scheme promotes use of solar-powered pumps for irrigation? A. Mukhyamantri Saur Krishi Pump Yojana. B. Jalyukt Shivar. C. Baliraja Yojana. D. Atal Bhujal Yojana. The correct answer is A. Mukhyamantri Saur Krishi Pump Yojana. Question 47. Which recent policy framework guides reforms in the cooperative sector in India? A. Cooperative Development Policy. B. National Cooperative Policy. C. MSME Policy. D. Industrial Policy. The correct answer is B. National Cooperative Policy. Question 48. Which authority conducts census operations in India? A. National Statistical Office. B. Registrar General of India. C. Niti Aayog. D. Reserve Bank of India. The correct answer is B. Registrar General of India. Question 49. Which Maharashtra mission focuses on strengthening women's self-help groups? A. Mission Shakti. B. Umad Abhiyan. C. Poshan Abhiyan. D. Sanjay Gandhi Yojana. The correct answer is B. Umad Abhiyan. Question 50. Which index assesses quality of life in Indian cities? A. Ease of Living Index. B. Amrit Index. C. Smart City Index. D. Municipal Performance Index. The correct answer is A. Ease of Living Index. Question 51. Which scheme supports development of cold chain and post-harvest infrastructure? A. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. B. RKVY. C. PMFBY. D. Agri Stack. The correct answer is A. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. Question 52. Which Maharashtra department implements the Shiv Bhojan Thali scheme? A. Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Protection Department. B. Social Justice Department. C. Rural Development Department. D. Urban Development Department. The correct answer is A. Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Protection Department. Question 53. Which national mission aims at increasing forest and tree cover through afforestation? A. Green India Mission. B. Campa. C. National Afforestation Program. D. Namami Gange. The correct answer is A. Green India Mission.